Alright, what are we going to do today?
Today we're going to be making a quick lunch.
A quick lunch with what?
With some beef and vegetables.
Oh, man,
healthy vegetables.
And this is my son Dave, right? You can say hi now if you want.
Yep, hello.
Yes.
This is the first time I've been in this video.
Alright, okay, now, I'm going to let you prepare the mushrooms, okay? Mushrooms. So I'm going to show you one. You can do it the way I show you. So all you got to do is take out the stem. You don't need this one. This is garbage. So we put it in there.
Okay.
If you want, you can cut it in half too.
Alright.
So it's a quick lunch, right? So you can do that. It's already half. You don't have to worry about that. Make them all the same size.
Alright. So I'll try to do that. So, let's see if I can do it.
Watch your finger, okay? Don't cut your finger. There you go. And make sure, yeah, see how your finger going? Finger should be always away from the knife. Hey, yeah, see this finger also, away from the knife. Yeah, there you go. Hold it like that.
There we go.
Yeah.
Both cut in half and the same size. Now this one's a curve. Make sure you want to cut these mushrooms at the right angle, or else then you won't get a proper lunch.
Okay, so when you say quick lunch, right?
Yep.
You gotta do stuff quickly. Actually, we're cutting it very rough and big pieces, right?
Yeah. But you can take your time.
So take your time, because you're doing it for the first time. And watch your finger.
Yeah. Some of the juice when you were cutting came on my face.
Yeah. So I'm preparing some peppers. Do you like peppers?
Not really.
What? Today you're gonna eat it anyways, right? Like always.
Okay.
And do some poblano peppers. And I'm going to slice some onions. Again, I'm going to do a rough cut on them.
And make sure you don't cry.
Yeah.
I don't want to cry like a baby. Okay.
And do you like garlic?
I don't know that one.
Is that Alexa? Okay, I got some garlic. Oh, you didn't have this one or missing there?
Oh, I didn't see that there.
You like garlic?
I guess so. I actually never tried it by itself before.
Not by itself.
Spicy on, spicy on.
Okay, so we're using a lot of garlic, which is a lot of flavor.
Yeah. Garlic is the flavor of the taste.
What was that? Okay, I'm going to slice some potatoes.
Potatoes!
So we're going to slice the potatoes thin. You know why? Because potatoes are going to take time to cook, not like the other.
French fries.
Yeah, not like the other vegetables. So potatoes are done, onions are done,
Yay!
your
Potato.
garlic is done, your peppers are done, and your bell peppers are done. Now you do this jalapeno. You know, let's add a little bit of spice to it.
So like cut off the stem also at the top?
No, you can do it like this. Well, you don't have to cut the stem off because the last, by the time you get into the end, you can always hold the stem and cut it, right? So you gotta go like this.
Okay.
Small rings, like small tires,
Well,
small
that's-
wheels, right?
That's what I assume sometimes curries.
Okay, I'm going to watch your finger. Okay, now I'm going to cut the beef. Okay, I'm using a
Big.
sirloin tip,
Oh. Yep.
which is really good for fast frying or stir frying, or even for a roast.
Cool.
Yeah, so we're going to do a stir fry sort of, right?
Oh. Okay.
So this is a perfect kind of meat that we want. We don't want to use all of it. There's only 3 of us, right? Okay, so I'm going to cut them into small dices.
There we go.
That's perfect. When we work in the kitchen, the cooks and the chef, right?
Yeah.
Whenever we get a break, it's a small break we get, not a long time, right? It's maybe 20 minutes, 15 minutes.
Just like my first break.
Yeah, it's just school, right? So we have to make sure that we gotta eat something very quick and get back to work. So
Yeah.
we prepare this kind of meal, which can be made very easy and fast,
Yeah.
and it's tasty, so we can get back to work on time.
Yeah, that's
And you gotta use a cooking method that is faster too. And stir frying is one of the cooking methods which is fast
Oh.
compared to your stewing or braising or all that kind of stuff takes time.
Oh.
When you want to do stir fry, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. So now we got your beef cut up, your vegetables cut up, right?
Yeah.
Everything is ready. Now we're going to slowly marinate the beef with some salt and pepper, that's all.
But not all of it is done yet. We got 2 more vegetables in the bowl.
Alright, yeah, see, good observation. So what we're going to do with that, the lemon, we're going to use the lemon to do a salad, okay? A quick salad with arugula. Arugula, yeah. See, I'm putting some salt in it.
You put some salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper, yeah. Salt and black pepper, freshly cracked black pepper. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil.
Olive oil.
Touch of olive oil. There you go. Now just mix them up. Let's go cook.
Yay! Cooking time.
When the pan is hot, you add some olive oil. We're going to drop the beef.
That's a noise.
So we'll spread it out
Yep.
so that it can cook evenly.
Yeah.
Now let it brown on one side
Yeah.
and then we'll slowly pour them over. It's getting brown in the bottom.
Yep.
We'll slowly flip them.
Flip it over. And what's next?
And once that is nice and brown, we're going to take it off the pan and then use the same pan to cook the rest of the vegetables,
Okay.
which you're going to see right now. Take the beef out of the fire, out of the pan, right?
Yeah. I almost heard it say out of the fire.
Yeah, I mean, it's on the fire actually.
Yeah, the pan's on the fire, not the beef. The beef is on the pan.
Right.
Look at that bubbles.
That's all the juices that's coming out of the beef.
Oh.
You don't want all the juices coming out, then the beef will become dry.
One of the bubbles hit my face, I think.
So do me a favor, drop the garlic inside.
Inside which one again?
The garlic. Yeah, that one. Put it in the pan.
To like spread it?
Yeah, put it in. The whole thing. There you go. So using the same pan. You know what happens when you use the same pan now? All the flavors of the beef left behind in the pan, right?
We're going to taste of all the
Oh, there you go. That's the one. So now you can use all the potatoes in it.
potato. I got a potato. I thought you were making French fries though.
So we drop all the potatoes.
Yep.
Now we turn the fire a little bit low because we don't want the potatoes and the garlic burning.
Yeah, my favorite part would be the potatoes and the mushrooms. And the beef.
The garlic gives really nice flavor to the dish, you know that?
Oh,
It's so
and maybe
yummy.
then the garlic also.
You like the garlic. Whenever we make it stuffed with garlic, you enjoy it.
Oh.
But you never knew, right?
Yeah, I never knew that I had garlic.
It's like, what? I never knew that. Right?
That's what you usually add sometimes.
Sometimes. You know what else we can do with this? Instead of cooking it in the pan,
What?
you can mix them all up. You can throw it in the oven and wait for 15 minutes.
What about frying it?
Yeah, it's not really healthy, right? When you put it in the deep fryer.
Well, I thought you could fry it.
So now we're going to add all the onions in it.
Okay. Yeah. Made a pop noise. Like popping bubble wraps.
And we are going to add the jalapeno peppers.
Yep, that is true.
The whole thing.
When you start cooking, you'll realize the smell and then your mouth will start watering.
Does your mouth start watering right now?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Now you can eat the onions then.
Maybe.
Yeah, see the onions went
Maybe.
inside. Now see the onions change the color now. While it's sautéing, right? It's going to change the color.
It's like a came of drool in my mouth.
Yeah, all the smell, right?
Yeah, all the bats are the drool.
And the smell of the garlic when it's cooking, it's amazing.
Yeah.
When you eat it, it's even better.
Yeah.
I'll add a little bit more salt to it because we didn't add any salt in the vegetable. And leave a little bit space on the side and add your mushrooms. Now we're going to add the poblano and the bell peppers.
Yeah.
Because this one doesn't take too much to cook, right?
Oh.
It's fast.
Okay.
There you go. That's a lot of vegetable, right?
Yeah. After you eat all of it by yourself, here's your healthy strong bone.
That's almost done. Now you know what you're going to do? Now you know what you're going to do?
What?
You're going to add the beef.
Oh. You can hear that sizzle.
Yeah, because the pan is hot. Potatoes are cooked, beef is ready, vegetables are cooked enough. Now you turn off the fire.
Yep.
And take it off the fire. The beef is ready. Now we're going to prepare the salad, okay?
Yep, the salad.
For that we need the olive oil. Can you get the olive oil?
Sure thing. Here you go.
Alright. So what I need from you is to squeeze this lemon, okay? I'm going to cut it for you. 1/2 is enough because otherwise it will be too sour.
True, if you don't want that.
So what you're going to do, put it in here, press it and twist it, okay? Until all the juice comes out.
Alrighty.
You know how to do it?
I think so.
Meanwhile, I'm going to cut this pepper.
Like a squeeze and turn, right?
Squeeze and turn, that's right. And you gotta use some muscles on it. Put the arugula right into the bowl,
Yeah, I think I'm
right?
right.
And then we're gonna take the peppers. Can you move the hands? Right on top.
I'm almost done, buddy. Oh, look
Sorry?
at that salad. That's a cool salad.
You gotta squeeze them nice and tight. See? All the juice is coming out?
Yeah.
There you go, see? That's
Oh,
done.
that's good.
Now,
Make sure no seeds go inside.
it won't. Now you pour it right on top of it. Maybe the salt.
Saltiness. Ooh. Some nice prepared salad. And salad.
Okay, now get some pepper.
Peppers. It's trying to peppers. Just open your mouth and feel the spice.
We'll use this up. Mix it up. First, before we add the oil, right? The oil makes a film on top of the vegetable, so you gotta add it in the end. There we go. Our salad is ready. Let's put the salad in the bowl.
Yep. Oh, that's a hot salad.
Maybe a little bit less.
Yeah, maybe a little bit more.
More or less. And some vegetables.
Yeah, get some of that good stuff.
Good stuff. And beef.
Yeah, the beef is going to be the favorite part for sure.
Try it.
I'm going to try mushroom.
1 second.
Beef. Okay, not.
Is it good?
Awesome!
That's great.
Try some of the salad now.
That is yummy, yeah?
Mmm. And then try a potato on the salad.
Potatoes.
Oh, no, pepper.
Peppers on the side. That's yummy.
So yummy I can make me dance.
You know what? I don't even need a plate for it.
This food makes me dance. Let's call Mama now.